Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Starknet token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Starknet is a decentralized layer 2 scaling network for Ethereum that uses advanced zero knowledge cryptography to enable fast low cost transactions while maintaining robust security. Its validity rollups that batches transaction of chain and submit a single cryptographic proof to Ethereum for verification, drastically reducing cost and increasing throughput. Its core innovation is to Stark proof system, a transparent, scalable, and quantum resistant cryptographic technology developed by Starkware. The network is evolving beyond scaling to become a hub for programmable privacy and Bitcoin based decentralized finance BTCFI. Starknet project institution rating is 4.6. Starknet token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 5.89 billion STRK token. STRK token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 95% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.